गुड मॉर्निंग मैत्रीशरण जी।
जी जी, भूषण देवान जी को नमस्कार। कैसे हैं आप?
बस सॉरी आई मिस्ड योर कॉल इन द मॉर्निंग एक्चुअली।
बेसिकली मैं एक तो आपको ये बताना चाहूंगा कि हमारा कॉल हमेशा रिकॉर्ड होता है और क्राइम फ्री भारत यूट्यूब चैनल पर पब्लिश होता है। इसका मकसद है कि एक ऊर्जा है, क्या उस ऊर्जा के सहारे हम अपने देश को बदल सकते हैं, उसका मकसद ये। मैंने आपके क्रांतिकारी बातें सुनी हैं। आप ये बताओ, सही मायने में क्या आप अच्छा भारत पैदा करना चाहते हो?
वो तो उसका डेफिनेटली आंसर यस है। अच्छा भारत जो है वो हमें डेफिनेशन समझनी पड़ेगी पहले।
उसके लिए मैं आपको एक डॉक्यूमेंट शेयर करूंगा जिसमें ये डिफाइन किया गया है कि अच्छा भारत है क्या। तो उसमें 5 मौलिक अधिकार और 21 महाविधाओं महालक्ष्यों वाला अद्भुत भारत। यदि हम उसमें
आप कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं?
मैं भोपाल मध्य प्रदेश से बोल रहा हूँ। मैं आईपीएस ऑफिसर हूँ, फॉर्मर डीजीपी एंड प्रेसिडेंट क्राइम फ्री भारत मिशन हूँ।
अच्छा, फॉर्मर डीजीपी ऑफ मध्य
प्रदेश, या I was DGP Railway, I was DGP Home Guard, Civil Defense, Disaster Management and SDRF, and I was the DGP Police Reform also.
Achha, and also you were DGP of the Madhya Pradesh Police?
No, I was in these 3 posts basically. Not, but former DGP means it's a rank basically. So these all posts are the former DGP.
I understand. And basically, in fact, I was invited as a speaker and invited delegate, me and my wife, to Chhattisgarh University, and I was in for 4-5 hours on return to Bombay after the 4 days conference. I was in Bhopal actually.
Oh, great. Great.
I would have met you. I don't know. I didn't know it.
भूषण जी, ऐसा है कि everything happens as per the design of the cosmos. So it was not intended that we should meet in person. Probably that must have been reason. Otherwise, we could have spoken earlier.
Bhopal, and which batch you are, sir?
I am from 1984 batch.
I am 40th NDA and 73 commission. I have fought 71 more, and 40th commission means 68. 40th NDA means, I'm sure you know NDA Khalagwasla.
Yeah.
So I was there from 1968 to 71 in NDA Khalagwasla.
Oh, wow.
And basically, and I have been 71 more immediately after my. That's okay, no problem at all. And then after that, I have been, so like you mentioned about your police jobs. So first innings was in the Indian Navy, second inning was in the corporate. I have been vice president of TCS and president of Tanna Solutions and senior vice president Adani Port. Wow. That was my second inning, 12 years. And then about 12-13 years, then after about 15-16 years, I've been in education. I've been vice chancellor of 3 universities.
Oh, wow.
And including Bhopal, I was of course vice chancellor. I was staying in the Paras Hermitage, you know, the Ashma Mall, Shangamad Road, beyond this, Barkutullah University.
I know that. I know. Yeah.
Where do you stay in Bhopal?
I stay in Bhopal. There's one IPS colony. So there are, I stay in IPS Bangla number 12.
Okay, lovely. So fine. Definitely, I'll see that. आपका जो ये आपने कब से शुरू किया हुआ है CFP जो है?
Basically, I can put this way that I gave a concept note to Government of India in 2017.
Okay.
As per the procedure, it was examined for the 2 long years. It was sent to the all state government, and then there's a peer review also.
Okay.
So after peer review, it was accepted as a national police mission for crime-free Bharat.
Okay.
And since 2019, I am the nodal officer of crime-free National Police Mission for crime-free Bharat.
And this is a government organization or
Yeah,
NGO?
it is let me explain. It is a government of India organization. It is basically before arrival of the Narendra Modi, it was being operated from Prime Minister office.
Okay, lovely.
On arrival of Mr. Narendra Modi, it was shifted to the home, and from home it was shifted to the BP R&D. So now initiative of the National Police Mission is being housed, and it is the responsibility of the Bureau of the Police Research and Development to provide the support. Basically, it is an independent kind of organization which is being hosted, supported, guided, and providing all kind of the support system by the BP R&D.
Okay. So, and BP R&D is Delhi-based organization?
Yeah. It is a very big. I mean, it is a nodal organization of government in India to conduct research on police subject.
Actually, dear sir, I want to tell you that I mean I daily 2-3 interviews on the TV debates. I am there, but I tell you, whether you talk about Pahalgam, you talk about anywhere, you talk about my PhD was in business and human rights. I had gone to Geneva for that in 2019. So I'm MTech from IIT Delhi, but my PhD was human rights. So
it's true about me also. I am MTech in industrial engineering. I completed my MTech in 1983, and thereafter I joined IPS officer basically.
Oh, 83 you complete. I see. 83. I completed MTech while in the Navy from IIT Delhi, and you did MTech from where?
From IIT Delhi only.
Really? Wow.
Yeah. For first year I was in Jwalamukhi, and then second year then I was in Shivalik.
Lovely. I was in Nalanda. Of course, I used to stay in Cousin Road apartments to commute from there. Me and study leave. Not study leave. It was not study leave. It was a transfer to Delhi, and I was doing MTech basically.
Great.
And my wife, she's a MD ophthalmology from AIIMS.
Oh, great.
We got married in 79. So we were SDMA. I used to travel to IIT. She used to come this side to Green Park AIIMS. She was a registrar there. Lovely. Achha, okay. So basically, what I was trying to say is that, I don't know. Do you think there is a serious political will to reform police?
If you allow me, I will elaborate about the political will.
Okay, please.
The thing which you say political will, it is a political fraud. Even in 1947, the political fraud had been committed on the people of India.
Yes.
There was a transfer of power from highly afraid people. They were highly afraid of the situation at that point of the time, and they were afraid to be butchered.
Yes,
they were afraid to be if please allow me to speak for almost 2 minutes, because then I will explain that background. I am very sure you must be aware of that, because you have handled so many things. So I am very sure that nothing will be new from my side, but I want to bring it on record.